Welcome to our GPU Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into a comparison between the XFX Speedster SWFT319 Radeon RX 6800 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070. These two graphics cards represent the cutting edge of gaming technology, each with its unique strengths and weaknesses. We'll explore their architecture, pricing, and performance metrics to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. The XFX Speedster SWFT319 is built on AMD's RDNA2 architecture, which focuses on raw rasterization performance, making it a solid choice for 1440p gaming. In contrast, the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 is powered by NVIDIA's upcoming Blackwell architecture, which promises significant efficiency improvements and advanced features like DLSS 4 and superior ray tracing capabilities. This generational gap highlights the differing priorities of each card, with the RX 6800 emphasizing high VRAM and the RTX 5070 focusing on cutting-edge technology. When it comes to pricing, the XFX RX 6800 is positioned at a competitive $459, offering excellent value for its performance class. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5070 comes with a premium price tag of $639, which is $180 more than the RX 6800. This price difference reflects the RTX 5070's next-gen features and performance capabilities. But it raises the question of whether the additional cost is justified for the average gamer. Performance-wise, the XFX RX 6800 boasts a boost clock of up to 2105 MHz and an impressive 16 GB of GDDR6 memory, ensuring it can handle high-resolution textures and demanding games. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5070 features a higher extreme clock speed of 2557 MHz, but comes with only 12 GB of GDDR7 memory. While the RTX 5070's clock speed may offer superior processing power, the RX 6800's larger VRAM could provide better longevity and performance in future titles that demand more memory. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT319 Radeon RX 6800 and the MSI Gaming RTX 5070 have their unique advantages and disadvantages. The RX 6800 offers excellent value with its high VRAM and competitive pricing, while the RTX 5070 promises next-gen features and higher clock speeds at a premium price. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your gaming needs and budget. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.